Hi guys, welcome to Technology in 5 Minute channel. Today we talk about Samsung S11 design leak, which suggests that S11 will use flexible display, and the flexible display is obtained by using sliding mechanism. In sliding mechanism, to increase the display size, we have to slide the display to the right side, and the display size will become a tablet size. If you compare this device to the Galaxy Fold, you will see that this device is more strong and more durable as compared to Galaxy Fold. This phone comes with a punch hole camera system for the selfies. At this time, this is necessary to have a flexible screen because it is very difficult to have compact phone nowadays. Now every phone from entry level to high level, every phone come with huge displays. Like recently A70 comes with 6.7-inch display, which is very huge and difficult to use one-handedly. So we are getting big screens and compromising our portability. We hope at MWC 2020 this device will be available, and we get the compact design and good display, and the display quality will be good, and also the display will be huge with the good aspect ratio. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell for latest news, reviews and unboxings. Thank you. Bye bye.